For a long time, you guys are asking for a Photoshop contest. So here I am. Welcome to my very first Photoshop challenge, darkderize. For this contest, I collabed with Composite Nation who sponsors the winner's prize. So let's get into the contest. All you gotta do is to download this Grim Reaper PNG and edit it in your style. It could be anything. For example, you can place him in a class, bus, hotel, house, even in a bathroom.
What?
As I said, you have the complete creative freedom in this one. So here are the rules. Your artwork must be in 16:9 or 4:5 ratio. And you must follow me, Darkder, and our sponsor Composite Nation on Instagram. Once you finished your artwork, post it in your Instagram and use the hashtag darkderize. And also post an additional slide of the images you used. And the deadline is on September 6th. You have 2 solid weeks to complete your artworks. I guess it's enough. After that, me and my mom will choose the top 30 or the top 20 and announce them in the same month. And finally, thanks to Composite Nation, the winner will get a lifetime free copy of the On-Rig Glow Generator plugin for Photoshop. Using this plugin, you can make the best light glows, blooms, flares, and many more. For more info, you can check their website, link in my description. And yeah, that's it. I'm so excited to see your artworks and your entries. The PNG download link in the description. Download it and I'll add all these details in this video description and in my Instagram post. If there's any doubt, you can ask in the comments or you can DM me on Instagram. So all the best. Bye.